Hello, welcome to Not for Exam, and I am your host Sujit, and we are going to discuss equilibrium of a rigid body. A rigid body is said to be in equilibrium if it is in translational equilibrium, that is net force on it is 0, as well as in rotational equilibrium, that is net torque on it is 0. Also, since torque about any point tau vector is equal to torque about center of mass tau cm vector plus r vector cross f external vector, and if net external force is 0, then torque about any point will be same and is equal to torque about center of mass. In equilibrium, f net vector is 0, therefore its component fx0, fy0 and fz0. And in equilibrium, tau net vector is also 0 about any point. Therefore, tau x is 0, tau y 0 and tau z 0 about any point. In this example, a rod of mass m is in equilibrium on two supports P and Q. Since rod is in equilibrium, therefore it is in translational equilibrium, that is f net vector is 0 and therefore its component along y axis fy is 0. Gives the relation r1 plus r2 minus mg is equal to 0. Since f net vector is equal to 0, so tau net vector will be 0 about any point. Therefore, tau c vector is 0, which gives the relation minus r1 into pc plus r2 into cq is equal to 0. And also tau p vector is equal to 0, gives the relation minus mg into pc plus r2 into pq is equal to 0. Let's see another example. A rod of mass m resting on a wall. Since rod is in equilibrium, so it will be in translational equilibrium as well as in rotational equilibrium. Therefore, f net is 0, that means fx is 0 and fy is 0. Also, tau net about any point is 0 and its component along z-axis is 0, which gives the required equations. Thanks for watching Not for Exam, and we will see you next time.